I gdje ste ljudi? Danas igramo South Park The Stick of the Truth of Truth. Ovdje je i Dušan. Dušan javi se. Bravo. Evo. Ja sam ovo igrao malo čisto da probam igricu i to. Snimat ćemo po epizodama i odmah da vam kažem da špicu snimati neću. Ovo ima na početku kao kako je priča o štapu istine. Ništa, sada kreiramo svoj lik. Napravit ću ga da liči što više na mene. Ja više imam ovakvu kožu, ali bolje ovako, da se bolje uklopim. Inače frizuru ću popraviti realno. Gdje je to? Evo ga. Mada... Ne, ja više imam ovako neku. Mada ne. Ništa je ovako neka kosa i nervira me što imam kosu boje iz meta. Kao može da se bira boja. Sve u svemu, igrica je super, meni se mnogo sviđa i na gameplay, gledao sam po neki gameplay i meni se igrica meni se igrica mnogo sviđa, baš je realno kao da gledate epizodu South Parka. Sve u svemu, vi ste sada novo dete u gradu, sad pokazuje kao komande i to. Igrica je vrhunska. Bog. Ne može. Kupatilo. Sad kao idemo po kući, krademo stvari, mislim. Igrica je baš super. A ovo me oduševilo. Da. Fuck, nisam uspio. Nikad nisam uspio. Ništa, snimat ću epizode. Vi mi samo recite da li vam se sviđa kako snimam, pošto ću ja svejedno snimati za svoju dušu. Ovo nam je kao šta, tata.
Come on, son, get out there, make friends.
Evo je ti. Inače, David nije ovdje. Nadam se da je dobro, nešto je u školi, nešto je kad smo bili u školi pao na ruku nezgodno u petak i ne znam što Dušan klima glavom kad on tad nije bio u školi. Ali tako je. Valjda mu je dobro. Fuck. Inače, igrica je izašla ove godine. Žao mi je što nismo ranije počeli da snimamo. Snimali bismo. Ali... Znam tačno dokle ću da snimam, pošto sam gledao... Pošto sam gledao gameplay i znam dokle to ide. Do kog dela ću. Sada idemo do apartmena. Evo ga Cartman.
So, you are the new kid. Your coming was foretold by Coldwell Banker. I am the Wizard King. But the time for talk is not now. Let me show you my kingdom.
Igrica je super, meni se mnogo sviđa.
Oh, who's your new friend, Aaron?
Shut up, Mom, not now.
Cartman je lik, baš.
Don't talk to her, she's not part of the game.
Jao, pričaj s njom, ona nije deo igre. Ne mogu da verujem.
Welcome to the kingdom of Koopa Keep.
Koopa Keep.
You may have heard of my deeds at the Battle of Stark's Pond. My loyalty is as incurable as my diabetes. That's the lie. Sorry, but the Grand Wizard told me to stick to the script.
Šta je ovo? Ništa.
Be careful, the Rock of Insanity holds mysterious powers. Okay, you're insane now. If you want to be okay, you're healed. Okay, you're insane now. Okay, you're healed.
Kenny.
As Court Paladin, my job is to deliver the Wizard King's... You have been sought out, new kid, because humans everywhere are in great danger. I need something from you, and in return, I am prepared to allow you into my kingdom. I know you are very excited. It's time for your first quest, but first, please tell us thy name.
Thy name. Kako ćemo se zvati? Pa ja ću se zvati kao što su potpisujemo u igricama.
You entered douchebag, is that correct?
Douchebag, ne.
Are you sure you want to keep the name douchebag?
The fuck, ne.
Very well, douchebag.
Majmune
You will now
jedan.
choose a class.
Oh,
Mage,
yeah.
thief,
Oh.
king. A mage is like a wizard, only not as cool.
Jebote, douchebag.
You look easy enough to be a thief. You, huh? So I guess we'll never really be friends. A mage is like a wizard, only not as cool. A fighter has courage, honor, and the ability to kick fucking ass. You look sneaky enough to be a
Igrao
thief.
sam je ranije, najbolja mi je ova klasa. Sljedeća klasa.
We welcome to our kingdom, douchebag the thief.
Douchebag.
Now please, go and visit the weapon shop. Procure...
Ne, imam nešto ovdje. Izvijete. Sorry. Samo trenutak. Samo da se pohvalim javno. Bio sam na takmičenju iz srpskog.
Would you like to see my wares, weary tramp? Perhaps you would like to hear...
I trebalo bi da sam prošao. Šta ovo, jedino ovo može se... Šta ovo? Noob hammer.
Don't let it bother you that there's a game to be played.
Ba?
Ah, a lovely purchase.
Ne mogu na ništa. Close.
Good, now how about you equip your weapon instead of carrying it in a bag where it's completely...
Šta da ga equip? Equip.
Yes. Ah, you have procured a weapon. Yes. It's now time to teach you how to fight. I want you to take your new weapon and, with the bravery of a noble knight, beat up Clyde. What? Kick Clyde's ass, new kid. What'd I do? I'm the king, Clyde, and the king wishes to be amused. Go on, new kid, kick his ass.
Šta sad kao mi se
I'm
borimo?
gonna kick your ass.
E pa
Clyde, you have to wait
nećeš.
your turn. That's lame. No, Clyde, it's like olden times. You have to wait your turn.
Šta sad? Kako? Blocking. Dobro.
That all you got? Oh my god, it's butters all over again. Okay, look, try putting your back into it at the last possible moment. Oh! Oh, hell yeah, Clyde's your bitch. Alright, Clyde's wearing armor. In order to hurt him, I want you to hit Clyde as hard as you can. Ah! Oh shit, dude, I think I see blood. Okay, nice, bro. That's what you do to guys with armor like that. Okay, listen up. The key to surviving in battle is not to get hit in the bow. Now it's your turn to attack. Douchebag, protect your bow. Prepare yourself.
Kad meni je ludak načist. A fuck.
No, I said protect. Protect your bow. Critical hit. No, that's not blocking. That's sucking. Try again.
That's sucking.
This is unblockable.
Yo,
Alright, you know what? Never mind about blocking. It's not that important. Alright, it's time to use your heroic powers. Using your ability takes power points, or PP for short.
PP.
PP. That's a better name for them than fucking say, Clyde. Asshole. I'm the king, and I say it's PP.
PP.
Use your chief ability to make Clyde pay for insulting the king.
PP. PP.
Ah! Knock that smile off his stupid face, douchebag. Now do it one more time. Finish it.
Douchebag.
What? I was going easy. Take this. Suck it. Yeah.
Je mlesna igrica. Ljudi, to bi bilo sve od nas. Planiram da sada završim, pa nastavljamo na istom ovom mjestu. Evo da se okrene. A ništa ljudi, mi završavamo pa se vidimo sljedećeg puta. Pozdrav!